Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add an NPC to your Roblox game. So first of all, go to the Roblox studio and open up baseplate or whatever map you are making, and go to the avatar tab and click on rig builder. Now you want to select what rig you want to be your NPC. I will be choosing R15. You can add your avatar, skinned avatar, or whatever you want. I'll be adding my avatar. So once you have added your avatar or whatever avatar, go under the rig tab. You can rename it as an NPC or whatever. Then you want to click on the plus icon and click on script. Here you want to copy and paste a script that will be in the description. Here you can edit the text you want it to say. I'll put something random. And here you can input the delay of how often it will say the line. I'll put 5 seconds. Once you did that, you can go back to the base plate, click on home and click on play to test it out. So once you have loaded in, if you look at your NPC, you will see that it is saying the lines that you wrote. Alright, now I'm guessing if you add an NPC, you want it to do an animation. To do that, you want to click on the NPC again and open up the plus icon and put in on a script. Now you want to click on the plus icon under the script and put it on animation. Now you want to, under this tab, you want to put the animation ID. You can find it on Roblox Marketplace. Any ID you want. This is a wave ID. Now once you did that, we need to add a script that will execute the ID. This script will also be in the description. Once you paste it in, you can go back to the base plate and click play again. So once you have loaded in, you can see that your NPC is doing the animation that you picked. That will be it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a like. I'll see you in the next tutorial.